Thank you very much. Okay, everybody, welcome to the Columbus Academy Geography B final competition. Mr. Reed kind of took some of my instructions, but once again, a huge round of applause for all of our participants, you and our finalists. And let's get to know our finalists.
I am Spencer Rice from 6th grade.
I'm Sabrina Allison, and I'm in 8th grade.
I'm Jackson Amato. I'm in 8th grade.
I am Andy Rumke, and I'm in 6th grade.
I'm Nathan Maru. I'm in 8th grade.
I'm Max Baumgartner, and I'm in 7th grade.
I'm Layla Shaheen, and I'm in 7th grade.
My name is Nicholas Johnson. I'm in 6th grade.
I'm Graham Altier, and I'm in 6th grade.
I'm Mira Srini, and I'm in 7th grade.
I'm Krish Bakru, and I'm in 8th grade.
I'm Jutsa, and I'm in 6th grade.
Okay, today's competition will consist of a final round and a championship round. The final round questions will reduce the number of contestants to 2. These 2 finalists will then compete in the championship round. In the final round, a contestant is eliminated after answering 2 questions incorrectly. Contestants will have 15 seconds to answer each question. You must start to give your answer before the time limit is up. Contestants will not be penalized for inaccurate pronunciations or spelling so long as it can be determined that you know the correct answer. And the ruling of the judges are final. Our judges today are Mr. Henry and Mrs. Miller. Okay, the first set of questions will require an oral response. Each of you will get a different question, and you will have 15 seconds to give me your answer. Good luck. Spencer. Trade winds often create clouds just below the summit of Haleakala crater in which state? Trade winds often create clouds just below the summit of Haleakala crater in which state?
Wyoming.
The correct answer is Hawaii. Sabrina, Delaware Bay separates the state of Delaware from which state to the northeast? Delaware Bay separates the state of Delaware from which state to the northeast?
New Jersey.
Correct. Jackson, a densely populated region is located between the cities of Provo and Ogden in which state? A densely populated region is located between the cities of Provo and Ogden in which state?
Wyoming.
The correct answer is Utah. Andy, the Catskill Mountains are bounded by the valleys of the Mohawk and Hudson Rivers in which state? The Catskill Mountains are bounded by the valleys of the Mohawk and Hudson Rivers in which state?
New York.
Correct. Nathan, Jackson Lake, located in the Grand Teton National Park, is in what state?
Utah.
The correct answer is Wyoming. Max, the Savannah River forms part of the border between Georgia and what other state?
Mississippi.
The correct answer is South Carolina. Layla, Carson National Forest, with its ruins of adobe buildings, can be found near the Rio Grande and the city of Taos in what state?
New Mexico?
Say that one more time.
New Mexico?
That is correct. Nicholas, petroleum refining was an important industry for the economic development of the city of Tulsa in what state?
Oklahoma.
That is correct. Graham, Lake Champlain and the Green Mountains are popular recreation areas in what state that borders New York and Canada? Lake Champlain and the Green Mountains are popular recreation areas in what state that borders New York and Canada?
Pennsylvania.
The correct answer is Vermont. All right, who's that one? Mira. Cumberland Gap, a mountain pass in the Appalachians, lies near the juncture of Kentucky, Tennessee, and what other state?
North Carolina.
The correct answer is Virginia. Krish. The Wright Brothers National Memorial is located along the Albemarle Sound in which Atlantic coastal state? The Wright Brothers National Memorial is located along the Albemarle Sound in which Atlantic coastal state?
South Carolina.
The correct answer is North Carolina. Jude. Antietam National Battlefield, site of a major Civil War battle, is located near the Potomac River in which mid-Atlantic state? Antietam National Battlefield, a site of a major Civil War battle, is located near the Potomac River in which mid-Atlantic state?
New Jersey.
Answer is Maryland. Okay, please pass the microphone down. Okay, Spencer. The St. Croix River defines part of Wisconsin's border with which other state?
Minnesota.
Correct. Sabrina. The Bighorn Mountains stretch from central Wyoming into what neighboring state? The Bighorn Mountains stretch from central Wyoming north into what neighboring state?
Montana.
Correct. Jackson. The Gila River flows from New Mexico across which state before joining the Colorado River? The Gila River flows west from New Mexico across which state before joining the Colorado River?
Arizona.
Correct. Andy. Cherry production is an important economic activity near Grand Traverse Bay on the Lower Peninsula in which state?
Florida.
Say that again.
Florida.
Correct answer is Michigan. Nathan, a large lake called the Salton Sea is located near the Imperial Valley in what state?
Utah.
The correct answer is California. Max. A gold rush in the early 1900s temporarily made Fairbanks the largest city in which state? A gold rush in the early 1900s temporarily made Fairbanks the largest city in which state?
Arizona.
The correct answer is Alaska. Layla. The Pearl River forms part of the border between Louisiana and what other state? The Pearl River forms part of the border between Louisiana and what other state?
Arkansas.
The answer is Mississippi. Nicholas. The Strait of Juan de Fuca separates Vancouver Island from which U.S. state?
Maine.
Say that again.
Maine.
The correct answer is Washington. Graham. The Midwest Museum of Art is located just west of the city of South Bend, near the confluence of the St. Joseph and Elkhart Rivers in which state?
Can you repeat that?
The Midwest Museum of American Art is located just west of the city of South Bend, near the confluence of the St. Joseph and Elkhart Rivers in which state?
Colorado.
The answer is Indiana. Mira. The Crow Indian Reservation is located near the city of Billings in which state?
Oregon.
The correct answer is Montana. Krish. The Colosseum and Piazza Navon are popular tourist sites in which European capital city?
Rome.
That is correct. Jude, bordering the Mediterranean Sea, which African country is a monarchy with the king's official residence in the city of Rabat?
Morocco.
Correct. Okay, so please congratulate the following students: Nathan, Max, Graham, and Mira. Please exit the stage. You guys can stay there or slide down, either or. Keep it there, ma'am. Okay, for the next question, this is going to be a written response. So students and contestants will have 15 seconds. So please get your markers and boards ready. Here we go. Yokohama and Kobe are two of the busiest ports in which Asian country? Yokohama and Kobe are two of the busiest ports in which Asian country? 5 seconds. Okay. Turn your boards around. Spencer, go ahead, get the microphone, and read your response.
China.
Pass it.
Indonesia.
Japan.
China.
Japan.
Japan.
China. Japan.
Pass the microphone back. The correct answer is Japan. So, the following students, please give a round of applause. Spencer. Just leave it on the ground. Yeah, good job. And Jackson. Oh, you have one? That's it, my bad. My mistake. Correct. And Andy. And Jude. Yep. Thank you, guys. Okay, for the next one, you will also have a second written response. You will once again have 15 seconds, just like last time. Here is the next question. Sugar is exported from the port of Cienfuegos on the largest island in the West Indies. Name this island country. Sugar is imported from the port city of Cienfuegos on the largest island in the West Indies. Name this country. Five seconds. Time. Boards up, please. And Sabrina, can you get the microphone? If you can get the microphone.
Philippines.
Cuba.
Cuba.
Bangladesh.
Jamaica.
The correct answer is Cuba. We just have to tally some stuff up right now. Okay, please give a round of applause to Sabrina, Nicholas, and Krish. So our final competition is going to be between Jackson and Layla. Big round of applause to these two. So judges, we're going to skip to the championship round questions. So actually, Layla, if you could take one seat over. You guys are going to give oral responses. You will both answer the same question, 15 seconds. Good luck. Okay, so congratulations once again. You will both be beginning with a clean slate. Okay, the championship round consists of 3 questions. I will ask both of you the same question at the same time, and you have 15 seconds to write your answers. When I call time, put down your markers and hold your answers up. I will then ask each of you in turn to read your answers out loud, and I will wait to give the correct answer until both answers have been read. Whoever correctly answers the most questions in the set of 3 will be the school champion. As before, you will not be penalized for inaccurate pronunciations or spellings as long as it can be determined that you know the correct answer. If there is a tie after the set of 3 questions, I will then explain the tiebreaker procedure. I will read each question twice, so you do not have to worry about asking me to repeat or the spelling. Okay, so listen carefully. Good luck. Your first question. Iowa and Missouri both share long boundaries with what other state on the Mississippi River? Iowa and Missouri both share long boundaries with what other state on the Mississippi River? Five seconds. Board's up.
Illinois.
Okay, sorry.
Arkansas.
The correct answer is Illinois. Second question. Yep, go ahead, erase. Yeah. Amelia Earhart went missing in 1937 while attempting to fly around the world with her navigator, Fred Noonan. A lot of expeditions are currently being funded to search for the crash site at Nikomaro Island. Nikomaro Island is part of the Kiribati, located in what ocean? Amelia Earhart went missing in 1937 while attempting to fly around the world with her navigator, Fred Noonan. A lot of expeditions are currently being funded to search for the crash site at Nikomaro Island. Nikomaro Island is part of the Kiribati, located in what ocean? 5 seconds. Time. Board's up.
Pacific.
Pacific.
The correct answer is Pacific Ocean. Okay, third question. The Sakan Tunnel connects the island of Hokkaido with what other Japanese island? The Sakan Tunnel connects the island of Hokkaido with what other Japanese island? Five seconds. Time. Board's up. Go ahead and read it.
Osaka.
Sainon.
The correct answer is Honshu. So with that being said, the best score out of 3 is Jackson. So, Layla, congratulations. Jackson, you can please stand up. You guys can go have a seat. Absolutely. That concludes this year's Geography B. Please once again give a round of applause to all the participants and the two judges of Mr. Henry and Mrs. Miller.